Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel. In this video, I want to show you how to download and install the VLC application to your Android TV box, or Google TV. This is going to be quite interesting. If you find the video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share for more important videos like this. So before I go ahead, I just want to make you understand that this is only going to be compatible with an Android TV device. So if you're using an Android TV or a TV box or Google TV, or basically any application with an Android operating system, then this should work for you perfectly. So on your Android TV, this is what you should do. Go over to your downloader application, and here's mine over here. But before that, if you don't have downloader, check the description of this video. There is a link there that is going to guide you to install the downloader application to your Android TV. So after installing the downloader, all you need to do is just go ahead and launch it. After launching downloader, you bring it to this box over here. So I already had this code typed down, but let me start from afresh. So what you need to do over here is come out to this box and you type in this code. It's a simple downloader code. It's 626697. So when you type in the code, please make sure you type in the exact code as you are seeing on my screen. If you type something else, this might not work for you. So as you type in the code, just go ahead and launch, and it's going to bring you to this or redirect you to this site where you'll be able to install or download the APK for the VLC application. So just give it a couple of seconds for you to redirect and start installing or downloading to your Android TV. So it is as simple as you can see me do right now. And yes, the application will start downloading. It will give you a couple of seconds for the application to completely download to your Android TV. Then you will install it to your Android TV. Now I'm currently using my Android TV box. If you don't have a TV box, in the description of this video there is a link to this TV box. You can check it out with all these features, and if you like it, I'll recommend you get one for yourself. So it is a good TV box I've been using for a couple of months right now, and I use it to install applications that I'm not able to install on my smart TV. But anyway, here's the application. Just give it a couple of seconds and it's downloaded. Once you're done downloading, you just have to click on install, and then it's going to be installed to your TV box without any issues. And that's how to download and install the VLC application to your Android TV with a downloader code. If you found the video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more important videos like this. Once you're done, always make sure to delete the app file from your Android TV to save space.